How to find relatives settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find relatives settings. First open VK and then click on your profile in the top corner and then click these 3 points here and then click edit profile. Then scroll down until you find personal info and click on it. Not personal info, here's it, relatives, and here can manage it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.